How to fix WhatsApp business not open problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business not open problem on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps or applications and then click on it. And now click apps again until you find this one here, your installed apps. And now just scroll down all the way down until you find here WhatsApp business. And then first thing you're gonna do is click force stop here and then click storage and click this one, clear cache, and then go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.